Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika and today we will continue with our chapter Human Health and Diseases. So today we are going to learn about more types of diseases and their symptoms, causes and how to prevent such diseases. So in today's video the first disease is AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It was first reported in 1981. It is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, a retrovirus. The transmission of HIV virus occurs by sexual contact with infected person, transfusion of contaminated blood and blood products, sharing infected needles as in intravenous drugs abusers, infected mother to the child through placenta. So this is how it can be spread. So it does not spread by contact. So AIDS, HIV does not spread by physical contact. It spreads only through blood fluids. So there is always time lag between infection and appearance of the symptoms. That may vary from 5 to 10 years. So the symptoms of these diseases are not very clear. Like it will not happen spontaneously, or it will not show the symptoms as in how the infection will be caused, but it will take time, that is 5 to 10 years. If a person is having HIV, he or she might not know also that they are suffering from the disease. So diagnostic test for AIDS is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. So this treatment of this the disease with the antiretroviral drug is partially effective and just prolong the life but not prevents them. So this is a test which is done to detect the HIV virus. So an antiretroviral drug, that is HIV is a retrovirus. So antiretroviral viral drugs are given to the person so that the effect can be prolonged. But in this, death cannot be uh, cured. So the next type of disease is cancer. So cancer is one of the most deadly disease of human beings and is a major cause of death all over the world. So normal cells shows property called contact inhibition, by virtue of which contact with other cell inhibits their uncontrolled growth. So cancer cell loses this ability. So how cancer is caused is when the cell loses the ability of contact inhibition. So that is the time when the cells abnormally they continuously redivide and form cancerous cell. So cancerous cell continue to divide, giving rise to mass of cell called as the tumor. And there are two kinds of tumors. So first is the binge tumor. Binge tumor normally remains confined to their original location and do not spread to the other parts of the body and causes little damage. But malignant tumors on the other hand are mass of pro they are mass of cell which will divide continuously and they will form tumor cell, and these cells grow very rapidly, invading and damaging the surrounding normal tissues. As this cell actively divides and grow, they also starve the normal cells by competing for the vital nutrients. So malignant tumors are very dangerous compared to the binge tumors. So what are the causes of cancer? So cancerous neoplastic cells may be induced by physical, chemical or biological agents called carcinogens. So cancer causing virus, also called oncogenic viruses, have gene called viral oncogenes. Several genes called cellular oncogenes, that is onc or proto-oncogenes, have been identified in normal cells which when activated under certain condition could lead to oncogenic transformation of the cell, that is causing the normal cell to become cancerous cells. So cancer detection and diagnosis. How to detect and diagnose cancer? So cancer detection is based on biopsy and histopathological study of the tissues. Blood and bone marrow test for increasing cell count. Radiography, CT, that is computed tomography, and MRI are very useful to cancers of internal organs. So this is how we can detect the cancer. Then treatment of cancer. Surgical cancer, that is cancerous tissue are surgically removed. Radiotherapy, tumor cells are irradiated lethally by radiation. Chemotherapy, drugs are used to kill cancerous cells but shows side effects like hair loss and anemia. And immunotherapy, that is patients are given with alpha injectrons which activates their immune system and help in destroying the tumors. So these are some ways how we can detect and diagnose cancer cells. Then comes the drug and alcohol abuse. So commonly abused drugs includes opioids, cannabis, and cocaine, and coca alkaloids obtained from flowering plants and few from fungi. So these drugs are very harmful for human beings, as these cannabinoids are a group of chemicals which interact with the cannabinoids receptor present in the brain. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of plant Cannabis sativa. They include marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja. They generally take by inhaling and oral injection. These are known for the effect on cardiovascular system of the body. Coca alkaloids or cocaine is obtained from coca plant native to South America. It interferes with the transport of the neurotransmitter dopamine. Cocaine, commonly called coke or crack, is usually snorted. It has a potent stimulation action on central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria and increasing energy. Then adolescence and drug abuse. So adolescence is the period during which the child becomes mature. It is between 12 to 18 years of age. Causes of drug abuse. Why the drug abuse happens? It is because of the curiosity of the child, adventure, excitement, experimentation, stress or pressure to excel in examination, effect of drug. So these are some reasons why children fall into drug and alcohol abuse. So effect of drug and alcohol abuse, as in what happens if you continuously abuse drugs and alcohol: reckless behavior, miscellaneous mischief, violence, drop in academic performance, depression, isolation, aggressiveness, dependence in the tendency of the body to manifestate a characteristic or unpleasant withdrawal syndrome if regular dose of drug is abruptly discontinued. Then includes anxiety, shakiness, nausea, and sweating. So how to prevent this? So prevention is to avoid undue peer pressure, education and counseling, seeking help from parents and peers, seeking professional and medical help, etc. So by following these steps, we can prevent drug and alcohol abuse. So in today's video, what we have seen is we have covered three types of diseases, that is HIV, cancer, and drug and alcohol abuse. Also we have seen their effect, their causes, and their preventions. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.